Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Wednesday, the 30th of May. The euro recorded losses against most of its major counterparts as risk aversion overtook markets following developments in the eurozone. There were reports that the European Central Bank rejected Spain's proposal to recapitalise its banking sector directly via sovereign bonds. Also, the Bank of Spain governor, Ordóñez, will resign on the 10th of June, a month earlier before his term ends, as criticism of poor banking supervision heightens. Versus the US dollar, the euro dropped to 124.77 from 125.20, a near two-year record low. ECB President Mario Draghi is due to speak at the European Policy Centre in Brussels at 13:30 GMT, and investors worldwide will closely monitor this. The US dollar appeared stronger as Eurozone woes favour the buying of the greenback. The US economic data was put in the shade by the news coming out of Europe. Nevertheless, the catalyst needed for more gains never came as the consumer confidence index fell to 64.9 this month, the lowest figure since January. Versus the Swiss franc, the greenback rose to 0.9626 from 0.9599. The break through the 0.9610 area, a previous resistance level, could open the way for the pair to record higher highs. Looking at commodities, oil prices dropped to $90.21 from $90.71 a barrel. Gold plunged to $1,548 from $1,574.76 an ounce. Against the euro, gold dived to €1,243.89 from €1,257.31 an ounce. Silver moved down to $27.74 from $28.37 an ounce. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 125.15 with a preference to enter into short positions at 125.05. The dollar-yen pivot points at 79.65 with a preference to enter into short positions at 79.65. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 0.9835 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9835. The sterling dollar pivot points at 156.50 with a preference to enter in short positions at 156.40, and the dollar CAD pivot points at 102.70 with a preference to enter into short positions at 102.70. Looking at commodities, the oil pivot points at 90.95 with a preference to enter into short positions at 90.95. The gold pivot points at 1558 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1558, and the silver pivot point is at 28 with a preference to enter into short positions at 28. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. On the calendar, the market movers are the Australian retail sales for April forecast to rise by 0.2%. Swiss KOF indicator for May to come out at 0.48. EU consumer sentiment for May forecast to drop to minus 19.3. And US pending home sales change for April forecast to rise by 0.1%. Now on to equities. In Europe, the FTSE was up 0.65%, the DAX was up 1.16%, and the CAC was up 1.37%. In the US, the SP 500 was up 1.11%, and the Dow was up 1.01%. In Asia at the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 0.82% and the Hang Seng was down 1.90%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.